Wait a minute. This thing, hold on. Okay, here we are at Menlo Canaveral, ready to launch the Amazon rocket. Here's our commander, Nicky. Our first flights, we tested some what size rockets, Nicky? A3/8s?
Yeah, A3/8s.
These are the B64s. So the B means twice as much power, and the 4 means we'll have more thrust, and the 6 means we're going to have a lot more thrust, and the 4 means that we're going to have 4 seconds after the engine stops firing before the parachute deploys. All right, let's see if this thing works.
Step back.
Okay, go ahead. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
Oh,
whoa! Whoa!
ah!
Whoa!
Look at the lighting.
Whoa!
It's not done.
Sweet! That was a big success.
I got it.
Nice catch! The last piece of wadding coming down. All right, here we are back at the launch site for our second test today.
Even more powerful.
Now we've got what kind of engine in here, Nicky?
C65.
So we got twice as much power as the last one that we just did, and even more, about the same amount of thrust, and a little bit more delay in terms of when the parachute's going to deploy. All right, let's get a countdown, a proper countdown.
I started. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
The key is
2,
in.
1. Blast off!
Whoa! Whoa!
No! It's dead. It's dead. It's dead. It's dead. Oh my God! It's so hot.
All right, we need the wind to blow it back this way a little bit. We need a little help on the wind. Come on, wind. Oh, it's actually coming back perfectly. All right. All right. Safe and sound. It was about 40 yards away.